Do you dream of smooth, clear, and radiant glass skin? The secret has been hiding in Japanese skincare traditions for centuries. The power of rice cream is truly magical. It hydrates, brightens, and firms your skin like no other. In today's video, I'll show you exactly how to make a simple yet effective Japanese rice cream at home. If you've been struggling with dryness, fine lines, or dull skin, this is the natural solution you need. Watch till the end to learn how to use it for the best results. Before we jump into making the cream, let's talk about why rice is so powerful in skincare. Japanese women have used rice in their beauty rituals for centuries, and there's a good reason why. Rich in antioxidants, protects against aging and sun damage. Packed with ferulic acid and vitamin E, boosts collagen for firmer skin. Deeply hydrating, retains moisture for that dewy glow. Brightens skin tone, reduces dark spots and pigmentation. Rice is truly a miracle ingredient. And today, we're going to turn it into a luxurious homemade rice cream that will make your skin soft, plump, and glowing. To make this rich, creamy, and nourishing rice cream, you only need a few simple ingredients. 3 tablespoons of cooked rice. Soft and mushy rice works best. 2 tablespoons of rice water. This acts as a natural toner. 1 teaspoon of coconut oil. Deep hydration for baby soft skin. 1 teaspoon of honey. A natural humectant that locks in moisture. 1 vitamin E capsule. The ultimate anti-aging booster. We're going to blend these ingredients to create a lightweight yet deeply nourishing moisturizer that's perfect for all skin types. Whether you have oily, dry, or sensitive skin, this cream will leave your face feeling soft, hydrated, and glowing. And that's it. This simple yet powerful Japanese rice cream can completely transform your skin when used consistently. In just 1 week, you'll start noticing hydrated, soft skin, brighter, even skin tone, reduced fine lines and wrinkles. This DIY moisturizer is completely natural, chemical-free, and budget-friendly. So why spend money on expensive creams when you can make an even better one at home? If you loved this Japanese beauty hack, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more amazing skincare tips. See you in the next video.